Students, today we are discussing miscellaneous differential equation. In miscellaneous differential equation, there are two types. First one is of the form y is equal to f of x. Second one is of the form x is equal to f of y. For example, solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. Solve the differential equation. D square y by dx square is equal to 2 into y cube plus y under the condition y is equal to 0, dy by dx is equal to 1 when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. Solution is, given differential equation is d square y by dx square is equal to 2 of y cube plus y. 2 of y cube plus y. Now here multiplying with this equation 1, multiplying with 2 into dy by dx on both sides. 2 into dy by dx on both sides implies 2 dy by dx into d square y by dx square is equal to 2 dy by dx into, multiplying this on both sides, 2 dy by dx into 2 of y cube plus y implies, this can be written as d by dx of dy by dx whole square, because we have to differentiate dy by dx whole square, the form of x power n. X power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Here x power n is 2 into dy by dx whole power 2 minus 1 into, again differentiate, dy by dx differentiation is d square y by dx square. So 2 dy by dx into d square y by dx square can be written as d by dx of d square y by dx square. D by dx of d square y by dx square is equal to 2 into 2 4 dy by dx into y cube plus y. Now integrate on both sides. Integrating with respect to x on both sides implies integral of d by dx of dy by dx whole square, integrating with respect to x, can write it as dx here, 4 constant integral of dy by dx of y cube plus y into dx. Here dx cancel, dx will get cancel, implies integration differentiation, these two are reciprocals to each other, then we'll get dy by dx whole square is equal to 4 into integral of, here y cube plus y into dy, y cube plus y into y cube plus y into dy implies dy by dx whole square is equal to 4 into integral of y cube dy is y power 4 by 4 plus integral of y dy y square by 2, y square by 2 plus integrating constant c implies dy by dx whole square, which is equal to 4 of y power 4 by 4, 4 cancel, then y power 4 plus 2 1s are 2 2s are 2y square plus c, 2y square plus c. This is equation 2. Here y is equal to 0 is given, also dy by dx is given, and x is also given in the question. Substitute y is equal to 0 and dy by dx is equal to 1. Since y is equal to 0 and dy by dx is equal to 1, implies here dy by dx is 1. 1 square is equal to y power 4. Put y is equal to 0 here. 0 power 4. 0 plus 2 into y square. 2 into 0 square. 0 plus c implies c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Now substitute c value in equation 2. Now substitute c in equation 2, we get from equation 2 dy by dx whole square, dy by dx whole square is equal to y power 4 plus 2y square plus 1. Y power 4 plus 2y square plus 1. From this dy by dx whole square is equal to, is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, can be written as y square plus 1 whole square. Now expand this y square whole square, y power 4 plus 2ab, 2 into y square into 1, 2y square plus 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square, implies here bases are equating, here powers are equating bases. Dy by dx is equal to y square plus 1, implies dy by y square plus 1, y square plus 1 come down here is equal to dx. Since from VS method means variable separable method, we have to separate the variables. Dy by y square plus 1 is equal to dx. Now integrating on both sides. Implies 1 by y square plus 1 into dy is equal to integral of dx. Integral of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse y is equal to integral of dx x plus c. This is equation 3. Since y is equal to 0, x is also 0. Since y is equal to 0 and x is equal to 0 implies tan 0 0 x 0, 0 is equal to 0 plus c implies c is equal to 0. Just substitute c value in this. From equation 3 implies tan inverse y is equal to x plus 0 implies tan inverse y is equal to x, then y is equal to tan x, which is a required solution of given differential equation. Y is equal to tan x is the required solution of given equation.